precision materials must reach the assembly facility safely and on schedule. Every private jet begins with aerospace-grade materials, engineered for strength, precision, and reliability. Lightweight aluminum remains a critical material for many aircraft structural components.
Once prepared, these materials enter the production system, where the aircraft begins taking shape.
Advanced composite materials provide strength while helping keep the aircraft remarkably light. From this point forward, every movement is carefully coordinated. Thousands of individual components are organized, so the right part reaches the right station. Clean surfaces are essential for precise structural assembly. Layer by layer, the recognizable shape of the private jet begins to emerge. Precision alignment brings the major fuselage sections together. With the structure aligned, the aircraft can begin its transformation from parts into a complete airframe. The central assembly hall is where thousands of precisely engineered parts become one aircraft.
Inside the cockpit, precision systems transform the airframe into a controllable aircraft.
Behind every finished surface is a network of systems that must work together perfectly. The wings are assembled separately before being precisely integrated with the fuselage. Controlled handling systems move large components with millimeter-level coordination. Automated equipment improves repeatability, while technicians remain responsible for the process.
Bring it in, steady, hold it right there.
One of the aircraft's most critical structural connections now comes together. Before major assembly continues, every structural surface must meet exact aerospace standards. Each component is inspected before it becomes part of the aircraft. The tail assembly completes another major part of the aircraft's aerodynamic structure. Next, the aircraft receives the engines that will eventually provide its power. The finished aircraft must prove that its systems operate together as designed. Inside facilities like this, aircraft production combines craftsmanship with industrial precision. After thousands of checks, the finished private jet approaches its final departure. The completed aircraft now leaves the factory and enters the final stage of its journey.